Kuan lagi siya ay blur. Sweet, magbabos-babos. Nakaray bisa lang.
Siya, dua, tulo.
Cause it's my life. And this is what wants us to the ground. For Tommy and Gina, who never back down.
Ambira.
Thank you very much. Ayan. Lahat to nakakargar? By the way, ilang barangay ang kargar? If I may. Ha? Dugdugdaig? Ilan?
Nabulol.
5'8". 1,550. Layo ba? Bungol. 15. Okay, 15 barangays. Nandito ba lahat ng mga 15 barangays? I just wanna live while I'm alive. It's my life, my heart is stuck in open highway. Like Frankie said, I did it my way. I just wanna live while I'm alive. 'Cause it's my life. Thank you, good night.
Hoy!
OXT, I can do so much for you. What you say?
Having you near me.
Say?
Having you near me.
I want you to stay and never go away. It's alright.
Having you near me.
Holding you near me.
Holding you near
I love you tonight, but it feels alright.
I love you tonight. It feels so right.
It feels.
Feels so
Sabi na
right.
naman. Makinig kayo. Huwag sanang maging tanga. Thank you very much. Now, here's my younger brother, Milo Yonting.
Ha?
Biggie Saturno. Nung araw guys, nung araw ah. Ano to? Kung trivia para sa mga kabataan. Nung araw, pag ang babae na huli niya yung lalaking nagloloko at hindi niya hinihiwalayan, ang tawag doon, mahal niya. Ang tawag doon, martir.
Ah.
Kahit ilang beses niyang naaktuhan, kahit ilang beses niyang nabuko sa text, sa cellphone, sa mga messages, ayaw niya pa rin hiwalayan. Kasi martir siya, martir. Noong araw yon. Ngayon, 2024, ang tawag doon, tanga.
Tanga.
Kaya alam mo lang, pinagloloko ka, tapos ayaw pa humiwalay. So, itong susunod namin kakatayin, para sa lahat ng
Tanga.
magpalakpakan na mga Let's go. From Bini. Hey! May wish pa tayo. I came to you and never asked too much